Third-party revenue is the fastest growing segment, as we mentioned, and has the highest ROIC and profit margins. Price-John is well aligned with shareholders. She owns a significant amount of stock, and she has driven a clear cultural shift towards disciplined growth, innovation, and brand monetization, which has emphasized this capital-light business development and omni-channel initiatives and expansion. This is a slide talking about how, while they're growing, they're returning capital to shareholders. So, Buffett has said how hard it is to find companies that can grow and also buy back stock and return capital to shareholders at the same time.